3, 2, 1, and liftoff.
火箭发射，火光划破挤进夜空。
Falcon 9 and DART on NASA's first planetary defense test to intentionally crash into an asteroid.
美国太空总署 NASA 在美东时间11月24号凌晨，从加州的范登堡太空基地发射飞行器，对准的目标就是太空中的小行星。至于为什么要这样做呢？答案就是试试看人类以现在的科技，实地有没有办法改变小行星的轨道。这项名为双重小行星改造测试的任务，是把造价超过3亿美金的 SpaceX 火箭猎鹰9号送上太空，对准运转中的一对小行星迪迪莫斯和迪莫佛斯。这也是史上第一次以保卫地球为目的，测试发射飞行器重级行星体。
The brilliant scientists at NASA are actually launching a mission. It's called DART, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test. And what they're going to test is, can you send up a mission that can deflect an asteroid and steer it away from Earth if, God forbid, something like that were ever to happen?
尽管这个双重星系统对地球并不会产生威胁，只不过如果任务顺利的话，飞行器将在明年的9月或10月撞上迪莫佛斯。天文学家也可以借此观察晶体的运行轨道有没有被改变。
But in September 2022, it's actually minimized. They're going to be the closest that they are for 40 years. And that's going to let the telescopes here on the Earth get the best data possible of how much we deflected this asteroid.
But impacts of asteroids that affect the surface are much rarer. They happen on timescales of hundreds to thousands to millions of years, since the larger they are, the fewer there are, but also less difficult to find. Finding them early is important for advanced warning and to mitigate against potential future impact threats.
虽然每年都会有无数的小行星，还有小行星碎片冲向地球，不过大多数都会在大气层中燃烧，解体实际社会撞击地表的渺渺可数。但难报未来不会有超大的小行星直接朝地球撞过来。
Impact of the Earth by an asteroid large enough to do damage at the surface is an extremely rare event, but it's an inevitable event. We know that there are thousands of near-Earth asteroids out there, and there are thousands more that we don't know about, and that's why we need to continue this program for detection and tracking of the near-Earth object population to determine where and when the next significant impact could occur.
2013年就有颗巨大流星在俄罗斯中部坠毁，造成当地严重灾情。